Hey guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS NIZZA Hi RF. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I want to take this time, an opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And we're looking at the ADIDAS NIZZA Hi RF. We got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. We got this in the cloud white colorway. And for those that don't know, ADIDAS NIZZA is probably like one of the OG basketball sneakers. Long time ago, it's like a proper archival model, and here they are. It's very reminiscent of a certain early basketball sneaker. Here they are, very lovely, very minimal in design and colorway. Obviously it's in that white, but we'll get into all those little details. But first we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole with this gum colorway. You've got all your traction patterning, you've got some radial one and some that is very reminiscent of a certain old basketball sneaker. Look at the midsole, it's a rubber cup sole in it. That surrounds the sneaker, and it's the upper, very minimal in design, as I mentioned before. It's canvas in this cloud white. You've got the rubber that extends on the toe box, so you can see it there. So that's there to, kind of prevent any more abrasion. The main body of the sneaker is in this cloud white canvas, and you can distinctly see a free stripe on the lateral side there, and it's on the medial side also. At the heel, there's a pull tab, there's this canvas material. Looking at the tongue itself is also canvas. And you've got flat laces, the ADIDAS logo stitched on the top of the tongue. And on the insole, you have an awful light insole right there. All that goodness. And just looking at the back again, you've got a NIZZA and the ADIDAS truffle logo to round things off. As I mentioned before, this is very reminiscent of a certain basketball brand. I'm pretty sure that you guys know which one I'm talking about. I don't really need to talk about it myself. It's very iconic in the way that it's looked. But this is one of Adidas's very old basketball models also. I'm pretty sure it's inspired by a certain model. Very lightweight. I mean, obviously you're not going to be wearing this to play basketball anymore. There's more. I mean, Converse themselves have a good basketball line since they are kind of owned by Nike as well. But just to help go back to this heritage look, there are some NIZZA designs out there. I think we have done a review of the Charge Gambino ones. It's very old. I think it's around 2019, I believe. So check that out. I'm sure I talk a lot about more because I like Charge Gambino, so it's more suited for that one. But this is the bog standard, easy to wear. I mean, very minimal in design. And if you're wondering what RF means, RF in the name is regular fit, so this is gonna fit regular fit. Anyway, I'm going to talk all about fitting when I try these on, which will be right now when I do an on-feet review. it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get half the size to what you usually wear for Adi. There's a bit of space for my feet and I can feel it slipping a bit on the heel. Other than that, it's quite comfortable. I had a bit of a problem putting it on my right feet, but I think that's because my right foot is bigger than my left. Other than that, these are really cool on, very minimal in design. I would personally prefer a pair of Converses, but that's just me. Other than that, very easy to wear, very easy to style. If you have any fashion tips, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.